Hey everyone, it's Naomi with My Crafty Personality. I've come together with Resin and more subscription boxes and putting together a quick tutorial on this calavera skull dish. I received this dish in the September subscription box this year. Their boxes are amazing if you're getting into resin and just starting out, or even if you're already into it, just to keep up with different things that you won't typically buy yourself. And so what I did here is I took the top portion of the skull and I'm painting them with the colors that I want to be vibrant at the end as part of the face of the skull. I chose shimmery colors because to me those are a bit more vibrant once they are picked up by the resin at the end. And I just took a small little paintbrush and I painted each section in the desired color. With the leftover powder, because you are working with powder, you might have some residue, so I'll blow it away initially, and then I would take a paper with some alcohol on it and just wipe off the areas where some leftover powder fell onto. And then what I did for the base is I mixed up some resin. I put I believe black glitter in there and a little bit of a dark pigment just to have that as a background, and I poured it in. First I poured it into the base of the dish and then I poured it into the skull. Just be sure to be careful here. Pour a thin layer at first and make sure you're getting all of the little holes so that when you're unmolding at the end, you don't get left with some little areas that didn't pick up the pigments like you might see in mine. So here I'm demolding once there's the final product. The black that I use for this also had some red glitter, so there's black and red glitter in here. It looks amazing. Look at that nice glitter. And so here's me demolding the skull, and watch how beautiful and vibrant these colors come out. I love how it came out, and it's a fully functional dish. The lid goes on it, fits perfectly into the base. Look at how beautiful this is. Check that out. Look at how it picked up those vibrant colors. And if you see those empty ones, it's because I didn't push the resin into those small holes, so the color is still actually on the mold. And then I'll show you here how the lid fits perfectly onto the dish. And I'll put some final photos. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And let me know if you want to see more quick tutorials like this, or if you prefer more in-depth tutorials. Have a good day. Check out Resin and more subscription boxes if you want to get into resin, or if you want to get some cool molds that you otherwise wouldn't get. And they also include a lot of other nice trinkets that you can play with. Enjoy.